Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are installing LED bulbs on Chris's headlights. This is my Jeep, but Chris's Jeep is gonna be in the video. Anyways, some of the audio portions were messed up from the new mic that I got, so I did some voiceovers, and the lights are actually super bright. I would honestly recommend having projectors instead of the reflector housing, but for now, at least we can see at night. The bulbs that it had before were super dim, so watch the video and then watch Chris send the Jeep. He's gonna send in this video on a little jump, so check that out.
Look, we're about to send it.
We're gonna send the Jeep. So today we're gonna install some LED bulbs on this Jeep. We already installed the new headlights, so we're just gonna replace the bulbs for some LED ones. So you guys saw how dim they were before. So with the LED headlights, it should bring the light output back to life. So Auxito actually hit us up and they wanted to send us some LEDs for Chris's Jeep. So we ended up getting the low beam, the high beam. So we got the two T10 bolts for the side and we got the 7440 for the bottom right here. You do have to add load resistors when you put LED bulbs on this car. Because this car, you can't just buy a flasher, you have to do the resistor. It is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and put it on and we're gonna show you. All right, so this is what comes in the package. You get some zip ties, some O-rings, and these are the bulbs. They actually look really nice. I'm guessing this is for the LED, like a LED ballast. So these are actually supposed to be super bright, 1600 lumens, which is nuts. The ones that I have on my Jeep is 10,000 and it's already, you know, pretty bright. So I can't wait to install these and test them out at night. So first step is you have to remove this bolt, which is a 7mm. Do that and then these just pop out, or maybe they don't. Not with one hand. We need a real man for this.
All right, we gotta get a real man, man. God.
There it is. So first things first, we're gonna replace the low beam and the high beam. We're gonna fast forward it because these are pretty simple to do and you'll see as we do it. So out of the box, these lights aren't gonna fit because you need to adjust the height of the collar. Stock, they come like all the way down so it doesn't fit in the plastic. So the great part is that they do adjust. The bulb itself should be up and down. You can pull the collar forward and backwards and side to side if you need to. It comes with the tools so you can actually loosen the screw. So we're gonna loosen it up and you see how it moves. So we're gonna put it a little bit forward. That way it fits good in the headlight and you can actually see where the imprint is of the screw. So we're just gonna push it forward a little bit and that should work. So let's go ahead and tighten it now. All right, that seems good. It's not moving. So let's put the light in and it should fit perfectly, no problem. There it is. The light's not moving at all, so I think that's good to go. You have to do the same with the high beam as well. So now we're gonna add the low resistor. All right, so we're gonna test out the lights. Blind me. Oh my God. Put the high beams. Sheesh. Jesus. It's lighting everything up. Turn on your turn signal. Turn signal. Oh. So the wiring didn't work over here. I guess we do have to put on the main one. Same over here. I guess it doesn't work on those outside wires. We're gonna have to put it on like the actual main switchback. Yeah, there it is. So right now we're gonna go take it for a test drive and see how bright these lights are on the road. We're just still waiting for it to get darker. Check it out. These are actually pretty freaking bright. Definitely way brighter than mine, and it's not even a projector. It's the regular, you know, the halogen housing. Damn, there's a car in front of us. Even the high beams are pretty freaking bright. So these are 1600 lumens and 6000 K white or 6500 K white. I'm not sure. First time off-roading. Woo! You need some Najar off-road lights in here. It's too dim.
I know, I can't see.
Damn, this is dope. First time off-roading. Let's see what it does in the sand. Oh. Will the four-wheel drive work?
Question mark.
Question mark.
Stay tuned till next time.
Oh no, we can't do that to them. Damn, Chris is taking the offshoot. Let's go. It's just another flat road. And this Jeep actually came with new shocks up in the front, so that's pretty nice. Man, Chris chose the hard way. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna flex. It's gonna flex.
Let's see that articulation.
Let's see. Woo! Let's go.
So I don't have to put it in nowhere? It's just all
No, it's just in 4-wheel drive. You should be fine in the sand. As long as it's working. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is fine. Stop. Let's see if it sinks or goes. Okay, can we gas? Oh yeah, you're fine, dude. 4-wheel drive works. Give some pepper. Woo, that V8. Alright, chill. That's power compared to the 6. This thing is it has more power than the 6 for sure. Like it drives nice, I like it. Damn, look at the high beams. They actually go pretty far. We do need to adjust the lights though. I think they're pointing a little too high. When it rains through here, it gets so filled up with water. Like if you stand in it, you wouldn't be able to stand up straight. It's crazy. This is where all the flash flooding goes down. Hey Chris, what do cops eat?
donuts.
Let's go. We're gonna get dirt in here. We can't even see. Oh my god, that was dope. Yeah, the V8s are nice. I like.
Look, we're about to send it.
We're gonna send the Jeep full send, baby. That's way better than the roller coaster. So as you can see, the lights are bright. Are you happy with the lights? Heck yeah. We did mess up on one of them. I think the polarity switched, so we got to change that out. But other than that, it is good to go. Super bright. If you guys want to pick up a set of these bulbs, I have a link down below. And there will be a discount if you use my code. So go ahead and do that to save some money. Anyways, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.